How to manage notification in Openvibe app and customer alerts step by step easily. So hey guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to manage your notification in Openvibe app and customize alerts. So here all we need to do right now is right here at our Openvibe right here on the bottom right corner you see a profile icon right there. Press on the profile icon right there. After pressing on the profile icon right there, next thing we need to do right here is on the top right corner. You will see right there. Click on settings right there. After pressing on settings right there, next thing we need to do right here is click on push notifications. After pressing on push notification, you'll be able to I call this manage your notification. So here we have the reaction. We can close that. Repost if we don't want any notification for that. Quotes. Share replies. There you go. Mentions right here. You also have follow. And you can just leave the few things on. And then there you go. So yeah. Once you've done that, there you go. Or you can just close the notification itself. You won't get any notification here. So yeah, there you go guys. That's how you manage your notification in Openvibe app. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please enjoyed. If you have any questions, concerns, type it down, question below guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible in here on Guide Glimpse. Thank you guys.